In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Canva. Justified text aligns cleanly on both the left and right edges of a paragraph, giving your layouts a neat editorial finish. It's a great choice for multi-line body copy in brochures, reports, and portfolios. I'll show you how to apply justification quickly and how to keep it looking smooth and readable. Start by opening your design in Canva so your project is visible on the canvas. Click the text element you want to modify. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the top toolbar update with text options. If you don't see text controls, click once more on the text to make sure it's actively selected. Now, look up to the top toolbar for the alignment icon. It looks like a small stack of horizontal lines. This icon cycles through the available alignment modes every time you click it. The typical order is left, then center, then right, and finally justify. Click the icon repeatedly until you see the justify symbol. The lines in the icon will appear equal in length. As soon as you land on justify, your paragraph will expand so both edges align, creating that straight left and right margin. A quick note, justification works best with multiple lines of text. If your text is only a single short line, you may not notice a change, and that's expected. For longer paragraphs, you'll see the alignment immediately. If the spacing between words looks too wide or a bit awkward after justifying, refine the look with two simple adjustments. First, try widening the text box. With the text still selected, drag the side handles of the bounding box outward to give the words more room. A wider box allows Canva to distribute spacing more naturally. Second, consider slightly reducing the font size. A small reduction can tighten the overall fit without changing your design's hierarchy. Make minor tweaks. Then glance back at the paragraph. Your goal is a balanced flow with even edges and comfortable word spacing. Once you are happy, you are done. Your text is now justified, giving your design a clean professional finish while remaining easy to read. If you ever change your mind, just click the alignment icon again to cycle back to left, center, or right alignment. That's all you need to justify text in Canva. Thanks for watching.